Okay, let's have a look at question 2. It says, find the gradient of the line joining each pair of points, 4, 2 and 7, 8. Okay, let's have a look. 4, 2 is there, and 7, 8. Well, to find the equation of the line joining those 2 points, it's going to have to be in the form of y equals mx plus c. So we need to find both m and c. So to find m, we need to find the rise and the run of the journey from A to B. It's clearly going to be a positive gradient. What's this distance down here? Well, this is 1, 2, 3. And the rise from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the gradient is equal to 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. So we know that m is equal to 2. So how are we going to find c? Well, we know the equation must be y equals 2x plus c. And we know that 4, 2 is a point on that line. So this must be the x value, and this must be the y value, and they must fit into the curve. So if we just substitute x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2, we can solve for c. So we get 2 is equal to 2 times 4, which is 8, plus c. And if we move 8 across to the other side and turn it negative, we're going to get that c is equal to 2 minus 8, which is equal to negative 6. Well, does the graph confirm it? Yes, it does. There's the intercept at negative 6. Okay, I've altered the axes on the left screen, and we've got 7, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got a point there. And 4, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 13 way up there. Okay, we need to find the rise and the run looking at this right angle triangle here. There's the rise, which is going to turn out to be a fall, and here is the run. So 1, 2, 3 is the run, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the rise. But it's going to be a negative rise because this is clearly a negative gradient. So m is equal to the rise, which is negative 9, over 3. And this turns out to be negative 3. Okay, yet again, we've got the gradient. So we've got one of the requirements in our y equals mx plus c curve, but we don't know c. But we can put in one of the two values. 7, 4 looks okay. So we substitute in x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 4 into that equation there. And we get 4 is equal to, x is 7, so this is going to be negative 21 plus c. Rearranging, c is equal to, the negative 21 hops onto the other side and becomes positive 21, so we get 25. So again, let's pull this panel down, and yes, 25 is the answer. Okay, let's have a look at C. We've got 2 points yet again. Negative 1 is here, and 8 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 8, 3 is there. Right, same routine. We need to find m, and m will be contained in this right angle triangle here. Here is the rise, and here is the run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9, which it would be. Look, we're climbing from negative 1 right up to 8, so that's a journey. It's a horizontal journey of 9. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, that's sensible. We're climbing from negative 1 up to 3. So that's a journey of 4. So our gradient, m, is equal to the rise, which is 4, divided by 9. Well, there's no more cancelling to do there, so that's just our gradient, and I recommend you leave it as a fraction. Don't start trying to go to a decimal. So our equation sits at the moment at y is equal to 4 over 9 x plus c. So we've got negative 1 is equal to, well, this is just going to be turning out to be negative 4 over 9. X is now negative 1, okay, plus c. So therefore, c is equal to negative 1 plus 4 over 9. And the way I tend to deal with these is I make this over 9. So negative 1, so this will be negative 9 over 9 plus 4 over 9, which is equal to negative 5 over 9. And that should be the answer. If we look to the left here, and yeah, that could indeed be negative 5 over 9 as the intercept, which is here.